that Baichun is donating to the auction, but the money will not go to the foundation. This money from these 5 pieces will go straight to Sikkim Relief. Baichun wants to create and build an AstroTurf, an Astro ground for sport in Sikkim. And as far as we are concerned, जितना भी पैसा मिलेगा इन 5 आइटम से सीधा हम वापस एक चेक बनाएंगे, आपको सब दिखाएंगे, जितना भी है, you can do the calculation and we send it straight to Sikkim.
Also, this is something which was sent by Roberto Baggio. Now he wore this jersey in. This is a national team jersey which he wore a long time back. And it's signed by him here. At this one piece I would not want to give, but Roberto Baggio was my idol as well. And but this one piece is signed for Sachin Apte. He sent it here. It's an Italian national team jersey which he wore and played. Watching Malini.com. This event is all about auctioning, helping Rahul for his foundation, the foundation. I think Rahul is doing a great job back to the society, in educating kids from Andaman and now with Jammu and Kashmir. So I think it's a great initiative what Rahul has been doing it for the last couple of years, and it's a place to come forward and support him. Since last year we had a massive earthquake in Sikkim, so we wanted to raise funds for earthquake victim relief fund in Sikkim, and Rahul came forward suggesting that during this auction if I could give him 4 or 5 memo, they will be and from there whatever money generated would go to earthquake relief fund in Sikkim. So I'm planning at least with that money, if we can raise it, build a small ground, AstroTurf somewhere, and where kids could come in, get opportunity to come in. Indian jersey is the one which I played my farewell match against Bayern Munich. It's signed by all the Bayern Munich football team. And the other jersey is my club United Sikkim, which Rahul also did come and play a few days back. Rahul Gullit, Christian Karambu. So it's signed by all the stars. And also the blue Roberto Baggio jersey, which is an Italian national team jersey which he wore, and it's been autographed by him. Yes, I hope the auction goes off very well, even better than last year, and can generate a lot of funds for the foundation, and which definitely would support a lot of kids for their education.